What's up guys, we're in San Diego this week and we just finished up some shopping because later on this week we're going to Vegas. We both really needed some new clothes to go out, but now we should be all ready and set for some clubbing in Vegas. But first up, we still have some days here in San Diego, so before we start our drive up, let's check out this place. So we're all packed up and ready to hit the road. Vegas, here we come. Feels so good to have a nice big hotel room again like this for a change. And since we are in Vegas and we don't plan on staying in the hotel room all the time, it's time to do something. I've actually been really interested and so excited to see the club scene here in Vegas. But as you might know, Vegas has some pretty strict dress code rules, and this is probably not really the best outfit to wear, so let's change. Now this is how you dress properly for Vegas. Now we do want to get some drinks before we head out, and the special thing about the casinos in Vegas is that when you're gambling, you can drink for free. So since we're traveling on a budget, we're just going to go down to one of the slot machines and play like games for 1 penny and drink free drinks.
So why don't you stay?
When it comes to parties, Vegas is not only known for the clubs, but also for their famous pool parties. So that's on our schedule today. We're going to go first get some brunch and then head over to the pool party.
And I can push away. We gravitate. So why don't you stay?
Vegas, it's been fun, but it's time to say goodbye. We've had a really great time here, but I wouldn't put Vegas at the top of our favorite vacation places. That's mainly because, first of all, it's July and it was so incredibly hot here. During the day it was about 40-45 degrees Celsius, and it was just like stepping outside was stepping inside of an oven. It was crazy. Second, this place is really expensive, especially on the Strip. Most of the activities here involve spending a lot of money, and tipping generously is nothing unusual at all here. So to keep it short, in Vegas you can have a hell of a time if you're ready to spend a lot of money. But now it's time for us to hit the road. We're going to be driving towards the Grand Canyon National Park. See you guys next week. Peace.